Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to buy a Subway gift card. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Gift Cards. Then you will be directed to another page from which you will see an option for Buy Now. Click on Buy Now. Now, select for whom the gift card is. If it's for a friend, click on the tab that says A Friend, then enter their name and your name. However, if it's for yourself, click on the tab that says For Me. Then just click on Continue. After that, select the type of gift card, either electronic gift card or physical card. The e-gift card is electronic type and will be sent through email, while physical gift card is basically the traditional card sent through mail. Before you proceed, choose first the currency, either USD, US dollar, or CAD, Canadian dollar. So in this video, I chose to buy a physical card, so I click on the Send a Physical Card button. But if you chose e-gift card, click on Send an e-gift card. After that, select the design of your gift card. You could also upload a customized photo by clicking on the option that says Upload your own photo. Then click on Continue. Now select the amount and quantity. After selecting, click on Add to Cart. So if you selected physical card, enter all the required information presented here. Otherwise, proceed to check out. Review the order summary. If everything looks good, click on Checkout. On the checkout page, enter your contact information, credit card information, and the billing address. After entering all the required information, click on Place My Order. That's how you buy a Subway gift card. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.